Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. Today we're back with another haircut tutorial. This time we're doing a beard lineup. So we're doing a beard lineup, but in this video I want to concentrate more on that top beard line because that's what really makes the beard pop out. A lot of people have questions on that. So what we're doing here is basically outlining the bottom of the beard. We outline the side by the ear. We're going to do the same thing on this side, and we're going to connect the bottom to the other part of the bottom, which I already lined up. Now, most of your detail is going to come from the straight razor, guys. So you can't just make a sharp beard if you don't use a straight razor. You can do this with the machine, but what's really going to give you that detailed look is the straight razor. Now you can see I'm lining it up with the T-outliner here. And you can see it's not doing too much, not showing too much detail. But once we apply some shave gel and a straight razor, that's really going to make everything pop out. So we're gonna go under the lip, under the mustache. We're gonna go on top of the mustache. Now he does want to leave the inside of his beard the way it is. He doesn't want to take anything under the lip out. He just wants to leave it nice and natural. So what we're doing again is just shaping up the mustache, the lines, making sure everything is set. So when we apply our straight razor, we can really get that detailed look. Now for the beard lineup, I'm going to apply some Easy Blade shave gel as well as an Easy Blade straight razor. Now notice how I pulled the skin. I did that twice for you guys. I pulled that skin up. I'm really stretching it. And I'm angling my blade at a 30-degree angle. Really getting a detailed line, guys. Now you want to go over it a few times to make sure that it's nice and straight and where you want it to be. Bottom line here, guys, is make sure that you're pulling that skin so that you have a way for the beard to for the razor to glide, all right? You want that razor to glide effortlessly, and of course we're using a product, the Easy Blade shave gel, to really make that razor glide. Now you can see we have the perfect beard lineup right here. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I really wanted to concentrate on this because this is what really brings that detail out and have people compliment you on your beard. Now I wanted him to fold his lip because I can't do too much stretching because the nose is in the way. That's a very thin area. Again, on this side, we apply some more shave gel, stretching the skin, pulling it up, and really creating our line. Again, go over it, shape it the way you want to shape your beard, or the way your client wants you to shape it. Shape it the way it needs to be shaped, guys. Pull that skin. You can see I'm pushing down on his face and pulling up. Same thing over here. We're gonna have him bend the lip. And just making sure that we're getting right under it. We're gonna use a shaver under the neck just to clean it up. And this is exactly what we got. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. If you guys need any products, go to our website, EasyBladeShavingProducts.com.